Enjoying Instagram but want to make your account private? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram account from public to private. Now let's get started. To make your Instagram account private, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Privacy. Tap the switch at the top labeled Private Account. To confirm, tap Switch to Private. Your Instagram account will then be set to private. Only people who already follow you will be able to see your posts. You can now review your current list of followers and remove any if you wish. If someone new wants to follow you, they'll need to request to follow you and be approved by you to see your profile and posts. That's all it takes to switch your Instagram profile from public to private. If you need a break from Instagram, check out this video to learn how to temporarily deactivate your account. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.